What's the meaning of becquerel? Becquerel. Becquerel.
Becquerel. Becquerel. Becquerel refers to a unit of measurement used to quantify the amount of radiation emitted by a radioactive substance. The becquerel is named after Henri Becquerel, a French physicist who discovered natural radioactivity in 1896. 1 becquerel is equal to 1 radioactive decay per second, indicating the level of activity in a given sample. In other words, 1 becquerel indicates that 1 atomic nucleus in the sample undergoes radioactive decay every second. This unit is commonly used in fields related to radiation, such as nuclear physics, health physics, and radiology. Understanding the significance of the becquerel is crucial for measuring and managing exposure to ionizing radiation.